evening, friend. Welcome to class. Today we are looking at lesson 4, and it says, I can make 10 when one adding is 9. Alright, now, happy counting the say 10 way. Look at my thumb and count up and down between 10 and 120. The say 10 way. Are you ready? Now let's go. 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens, 11 tens, and 12 tens. Wow, we are done with that. It's so fun. Alright, here is our application problem. It says, Michael plants 9 flowers in the morning. He then plants 4 flowers in the afternoon. How many flowers did he plant by the end of the day? Make a drawing, number bound, and a statement. So quickly, let's draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 flowers in the morning. But don't forget, they asked us to draw the 5 group way. So let's draw the 5 group way. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yes. And 4 flowers in the afternoon. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, how many flowers did he plant by the end of the day? That means I'm going to add my 9 and 4 together. So let me take away 1 from here and add to my 9 just to make 10. Okay, let me shade it just to make 10. So I now have 10, and how many is left outside? 1, 2, 3. That will be what? 13. So 10 plus 3 equals to what? 13. So that means he planted 13 flowers by the end of the day. Alright, now what's the number bond for that? It's going to be 13 as the whole. Alright, let me erase that. 13 as the whole. And the first part will be what? 9. And the other part will be what? 4. Very good. So 9 and 4 will make my 13. Clap for yourself. Alright, now moving on. Maria has 9 green cubes. Tony has 3 red cubes. How many cubes do Maria and Tony have? Can you see that? What will I do? I will what? Put them in 5 groups. Put them in what? In 5 groups. Now it is easy to see how many cubes we have. Can you see that? So I will move 1 red cube to my 9 green cubes just to make 10. Yes, so what do I have now? 10 and 2. 10 and what? 2. So let's use a number bond to show how we broke apart 3. That would be 3. Ready? 3. Having 1 as the first part and 2 as the what? Other part. So we broke apart 3. We took down 1 to join the 9 just to make 10. Just to make what? 10. Very good. Alright, over to the next. We have 9 plus 2. How will you solve that? You share apart your 2 using your number bond. That will be 1 and 1 to make what? 10 with my 9. You see that? So 10 plus what is left outside 1 will give me what? 11. Very good. Now moving on, we have 4 plus 9. I will break apart my 4 into 1 and 3. You see that? Into 1 and 3. And I will make my 10. So it becomes 10 plus what is left outside? 3 equal to 13. Clap for yourself. Alright, moving down the line, we have 5 plus 9. I will make my number bound in 5 to share the 5 into 1. And what's the other number? 4. Do you see that now? And I will make my 10 and write the 10 plus what is left outside? 4 to give me 14. Very good. And again we have 9 plus 6. 9 plus what? 6. I'll put my number on the 6 just to share it. And put 1 and how many is left? 5. Make my 10 and put my 10 plus 5 as left outside to give me 15. Very good. Again, we still have 3 plus 9. I will share my 3 into 1 and how many is left? 2. So 9 and 1 will now make the 10 plus what is left? 2 equal to 12. Very good. Okay, I think this is the last for this section. We have 7 as the smaller number, and I will share it into 1 and 6. So 9 and 1 we make 10. And I have 10 plus 6, which will give me what? 16. Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Alright, so that is all for that. This is our worksheet. It said change the picture to make 10. Write the easier number sentence and solve. Tom has 9 red pencils and 5 yellow. Now, how many pencils does Tom have in all? You can see the 9 and the 5, and they're taking 1 from the 5 to make 10 with the 9. So I'll put my 1, and how many will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. So this is my 10 now. 10, 4. That's what? 14. Very good. So 10 pencils plus 4 pencils equals to 14 pencils. You can see it becomes easier to solve. Alright, the next worksheet is this. It says circle 10 and solve. Alright, circle 10. So I have 9. I want to circle my 10. Yes, so that is 9 plus 3. And the 3 I'm sharing it into 1 and 2. So this will form my 10, which I just did. 10 plus how many is left? 2 equals to 12, because 10 2 is 12. Or about number 3, we have 4 plus 9, and they're sharing their 4 into 1 and 3. So I will take 1 from the 4 and add to 9. Yes. So this is my 10. 10 plus how many is left? 3 equals to 13, because 10 3 is 13. Very good. Alright, moving on in our worksheet, we have, it says solve and make math drawings using the 10 frame to show how you made 10 to solve. Yes, 10 frame is a card or a box where we make 10. Alright, so I'm going to make 10 right away by sharing my 5, which is 1 and 4. Okay, so 9 plus 5. Alright, and I've shared my 5 into 1 and 4. Don't forget that. So 9 and 1, we make 10 plus how many? 4. Very good. That's left outside. That gives us what? 14. So the answer becomes 14. Now what about our 10 frame box? We'll draw the 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alright, and the one outside. Okay, we have 5 outside, but don't forget I'll bring 1 inside just to make 10. So I will now have 4 inside. Sorry, 1 inside, okay, from that 5. So this gives us 10, 4. 10 inside and 4 outside. Alright, so that's our 10 frame box. Number 5, which is the last for today, it says 6 plus 9, and we're using our 10 frame to do that. So let me draw my 9 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And my 6 outside, but remember 1 will come inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do you see that? So, and I have 10 inside and how many outside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 outside. So 10, 5. See that? So 1 and 5 from my 6 to make 10 with the 9. And that will be 10 what? 5. 10 inside and 5 outside. And that will give us 15. Wow. This is so much fun. Do you understand? Yes. Alright, so that's going to be all for today's class. We've come to the end of lesson 4. I'll see you in our next class, which is lesson 5. Are you ready? Yes. Alright, until then, take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.